greatest players. But before that, before we reveal the names, we'd like to welcome some of our esteemed members of our selection committee. First, the chairman of the selection committee and former PBA commissioner, Mr. Sonny Barrios, is here to join us, and a member of the 50 greatest players, El Presidente Ramon Fernandez, will be joining us via Zoom. Paul, thank you so much for joining us here tonight.
Salamat for having me.
Siyempre po, of course, the biggest conversation revolves around paano ba yung pinagdaanan ng inyong selection committee? How did the process go about in terms of naming the next man?
Well, first, let me thank the PBA on behalf of all of us for the honor and privilege of being part of the selection committee. Ngayon, yung tanong mo, agad-agad, tatlong meeting kami. Yung first meeting namin, agad-agad ang question ano ba yung task given to us, which is to select 10 more to complete the 50 greatest in PBA. So, niliwanag muna namin yun among ourselves, and it was aptly articulated by the most seasoned, if I may use that term, sa amin, si Coach Dante. No? Yung pinipili natin, yung nag-display ng exceptional basketball skills sa PBA playing career nila. No? Yung among others, kung may impact sa liga, sa PBA, sa team. So in other words, hindi yung dahil magaling ang nilaro sa college o magaling sa PBA, playing career sa PBA. Yun ang tinitimbang natin. So, yun ang una-una. And once na nakaintindihan kami ko, kaya yung sinasabi ni Kong Willie kanina, na in-adapt ng original selection committee for the first 25, matik yung MVP. Kasi kung ano mo yung playing skill sa PBA, siguradong yung MVP ninyo, dapat lamang. So, yun ang nangyari. So, immediately, dun sa 10 naming isa-select, dalawa kagad dun nag-MVP. So, 8 na lang talaga ang pagpipilian ng committee. So, dun din sa first meeting na yun, agad-agad, natutuwa siguro kayo, wisdom ng second youngest siya, si MVP Alan Kaidig. Ang nagsabi, ba't hindi tayo mag-submit ng kanya-kanyang listahan independently of each other? Wala tayong pinag-uusapan. Gumawa tayo ng 8 natin, bawat isa sa, by the way, 10 kami sa committee, chairman ako ng voting. Siyang ang voting para add number, no? Kung kailangan i-break, i-divide yung house, walang tayo. So agad-agad, gumawa sila independently ng kanya-kanyang listahan. And we said we will break and we will convene again after 3 weeks para talagang mapag-aralan ng bawat isa yung kanya-kanyang listahan.
Sorry, so everyone was able to put out their list. Tapos, pagtutong matugmain, di ba? For you to be able to come up with the unanimous name. So for